Good evening, Mr. Berger. This is Jana Hedden, and I'm coming to you live from Chapter 6. And it's one of those pull your hair out weeks. Should have been easy, but anyway, I just did I ended up doing the Slacker option, Celtic Song app, but not for lack of trying. It's the lack of any more hair. Daniel and I weren't able to get together this semester, so that was a bummer. Okay, so I've got the main activity Java. This is my splash Java, and it doesn't work right, and I don't know why. I've gone over and gone over, and then what I do? Okay, that's cool. So anyway, my splash Java's down here, and the best I can tell, everything's just like it's supposed to be. So I don't know why it's not working. The picture's coming up. I mean, the picture should come up because it's, but anyway, it doesn't. So that's my Java splash, and then this is the, I don't know how I did that. There we, okay. This is the main Java. This is where you're setting all the buttons and whether they're played or paused, and whether you're playing the jig or the bagpipes. Okay, the activity main, the graphic. Oh, okay. I guess I'm not sure what I'm doing here. Okay. So this is the graphical layout for the main Java page. This is what it's supposed to on the splash page, but it doesn't. It just comes up with this white screen. So I don't know what that's about. But there's the code for the activity splash. And it, like I said, it comes out in the graphical layout, but for some reason it doesn't, the picture doesn't come out. Here's the, you got to play the jig or play the bagpipes. And then here's the code for that. This is the jig image, and then the jig button, and then the bagpipes image, and the bagpipes button. And we'll go to the, I'm trying to get this emulator to load, and I've been trying for quite a while now. And it says something about can't bind to local. That it was working a while ago. So I'm gonna put you on pause, see if it'll ever get to working. Okay, and I don't know what this is. This has just been coming up this time. All this new instruction here. And then it doesn't have my apps on it. But I want to wait here for a minute, see if it'll come up. But it's still not giving me all those messages it usually gives me in there. Oh, there we go. But see, it didn't do the the splash was almost non-existent. But anyway, it plays. And then you can pause it and play the bagpipes. Okay, I'm going to pause it again and do it one more time to see if I can show you the splash. And we're back to the circle going round and round and round. It's been going on around for a little while. And there we go. Hopefully it'll come. See if I can get out of that. Nope. Okay, let's look for the splash. There. Okay. Well, whatever. Okay. Well, I'll let you go for tonight. I'll talk to you later. Have a good